Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about Zambesi Gold. I hope I'm again pronouncing it correctly because different names, different cultures include in a particular coin's name. So anyways, now let's get started quickly. So this is on the BSC scan, as you can see, and this is the website. You can go on the CoinGecko if you want to go and visit their website. We are going to study this project in the details, and we are also going to analyze the long-term approach if it is possible for this project, and we are also going to analyze the valuation very quickly in the initial part of this video only, and we'll see whether this is this coin a good opportunity or not. So let's get started quickly. So as you can see, the market cap is pretty high as well, $10 million, and fully diluted market cap is 44 million. So as you can see, around 25% of the coin is in the supply, and other remaining 75% is probably with the team. We'll find out. We'll also visit their website and see other documents and other information which they have given on the website to analyze the project, understand the valuation and the long-term approach. But this is the basic information. So the 75% supply which is remaining with the team shows that this project is not properly decentralized yet, at least because this is definitely not Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was decentralized right from the start. So even if it had 20% supply in the market, it was still decentralized. But with other projects it is definitely not the case, and without the decentralization one cannot have the long-term approach. That's why sticking to the decentralization is the key if you want to invest for the long term in any cryptocurrency project. So just keep that in mind if you are new to the cryptocurrency market. So I know that everybody in the cryptocurrency market wants to make a lot of money, but without understanding the project and understanding the importance of the decentralization, nobody will be able to ever make any money. So people who are holding Bitcoin are making money since last 5-7 years is because Bitcoin is decentralized. That's why people are making money. So the same applies to every other cryptocurrency project. So what decentralization means is that not very few people are running the project, but entire community or thousands and thousands of people, or probably at least hundreds and hundreds of people are running the project. So the more a project is decentralized, higher the odds of it surviving for the long term. So this is one of the key aspects if you want to invest in the cryptocurrency market for the long term. So it's okay if you are not finding enough decentralized project in your portfolio. You can always go with the Bitcoin because Bitcoin will always be decentralized, was decentralized, and will always be decentralized. So anyways, back to the Zambesi Gold project. So if you want to understand the valuation of this project, then you can assume that if they are having the $4 million worth of $1 million worth of net profit every year, then you can say that it is fairly valued. So generally valuation is 1/10 of the net profit should be the 1/10 of the total market cap. So here market cap is $10 million. So $1 million of net profit, if given back to the community, then you can say that it is fairly valued. So now if they are making 2 million net profit and giving back the same to the community, then you can say that this is half under it. You can say that this is the valuation is 20 million. So if you buy, then you will be buying it at a half price. So that means it will be undervalued, and if the net profit is $500,000, then valuation becomes 5 million. So in that case you can say that it is twice overvalued. So you can adjust the valuation according to the net profit given back to the community. But for that, first they need to have a solid and strong community. So we'll also find out whether they have a solid and strong community or not, and has the team given such profits to the community or not. So yeah, apart from that, this is their price chart. It has been around for a year now. So as you can see, the chart has been pretty much in the declining situation, and which is very sad. 1 year price is 82%, but that this has been case with lot of cryptocurrency projects. So we cannot expect that this we cannot keep this as the ultimate benchmark to judge this project will be in the downward momentum only, because a lot of coins have gone from minus 80% in 1 year to plus 800% as well. So anyways, this is the exchange where you can trade this project. So yeah, apart from that, if you're looking for any further information about this project, then you can go on the CoinGecko website. So now let's visit their website here, and let's see what this project is all about. So Zambesi Gold Pty Limited is a mining company specializing in the acquisition and development of selected mining assets. So again, this is a mining company. So generally mining companies are very difficult to make decentralized, because mining because of course, if you see, then after 20 years, 30 years, there will be mining companies which will be decentralized and which will be driven by the community decisions, and everything will be totally decentralized. Or even after 40 years, this is definitely going to happen. But today it is very tough, because it will need a lot of hard work from the Zambesi Gold team if they want an entire community to run such projects. Because as you can see even from the photos, such heavy machineries and all these things, and the digging and everything, which is pretty difficult to manage if you are not skilled. And they will need to build a community which is skilled, and they will need to have a community which is interested in such areas. So that's why it's very essential to understand that keeping such projects in a decentralized manner will be tough as of now. So yeah, so again, this can be, that's why this can be a very difficult thing if you are looking to invest for the longer term, because it from the basic information which I have understood, it seems that it will be very difficult to keep things decentralized. So apart from that, this is the roadmap. So let's see the roadmap. So as you can see here, that they have contract agreement between Apex, Midway. So this is something in detail. So I'm sure that you will look into all these things if you are really interested in understanding this project. So this seems to be all these technical things in regards to the mining business. So if you are really interested in mining work, and if you really think that the company will make a lot of profit, and at the same time they will also keep the things decentralized, then you should definitely think about investing in the longer term. For me, if you personally think, then I feel it very hard hard to that this business will be decentralized in the near future, because decentralized means having very powerful community running the project. They will also be managing the salaries of the staff, and also they will make decisions about the labor and everything. So it's very similar to Bitcoin, if you want to understand in a very metaphoric or in a common sense language. The way Bitcoin network is run by the miners, you will need community members who can run such projects. That's all. And if you think that the Zambesi Gold team will be able to run the project and they will give you the profit, then it would be a pretty dumb thing, if you personally ask me. Because generally if you see the history of the cryptocurrency market, then the things which are not decentralized have not been doing well and haven't done well, and most of them have done the exit scam, if you really see. So that's why keeping things decentralized is the key if you want to invest in any cryptocurrency project. And same goes with the Zambesi Gold project. So I'm sure that the team is trying their hard, the team is trying their best, but the hardest thing for any cryptocurrency project to do is keep things decentralized. That will be the hardest thing for any cryptocurrency project to do. And that's why if you are really looking to invest in any cryptocurrency project, then just look for the projects that are totally decentralized already. Now it's possible that the Zambesi Gold project can be decentralized in the future, but then you will have to wait for such moment, because it will be very difficult for you to gamble on it will be very hard for your hard-earned money to put into projects which are not decentralized right now, because the not so decentralized project has the highest risk of going down very quickly. And that's why if you I from my point of view, if you personally ask me, then I don't see anything which is decentralized right now. And if you find it that this project is decentralized, if this project is driven properly by community, the way Bitcoin network is driven by the miners, and hundreds of Bitcoin miners, and probably thousands and thousands of Bitcoin miners are running the network. If you think that the way Bitcoin is decentralized, this project is decentralized, then you should definitely give it a shot. But but in the cryptocurrency market, decentralization is the hardest thing to achieve, and the ones who achieve, they benefit all. They benefit themselves, and they also benefit their community and their investors, and they all make a lot of money. But you need to find such projects, and of course along with that you also need to understand the valuation, which I just mentioned in the earlier part. So 1/10 of the total market cap should be in the net profit, and that also should be given back to the community. In such case, you can say that it is the fairly valued thing. So keep all these things in mind. Apart from that, now let's see the documents. They have also shown some documents regarding mining acquisition. So this is their you can see the location, overview, geology, reserves, mining plat, and everything. So here this is one of the documents which shows about the plan about mining. So as you can see here, which is I honestly speaking, I don't understand all this mining things, so I just wanted to show it to you, so at least you know that this is something which is already proposed, and if you are interested in such mining coins, then you should definitely take a look into it. And apart from that, they have this value proposition valuation. So this is this document was released on 14 January, so nearly 1.5 years back. So in this they have given details about the production, about the costs, and operating profit, and so they are trying to be transparent. But still, this transparency is not enough, because this transparency and this data, first of all, we don't know whether this is audited or not, and even if this is an audited data, we will have to know for sure that these all things are managed by a community, not by few people, not by 4, 5, 10 people. That would not make the things decentralized. Decentralization means at least 500 people are running the same project, and if that is not happening, then in such cases it will be very difficult. So all the details are here, and they are saying that they will have 1200% profit. It seems that they are saying that value proposition initial backing ratio 1200%. So if you really think that all this is going to be executed by few people, particularly for you, then you can go ahead. But I would personally, as a cryptocurrency investor, would definitely wait until the community is there. A community is running the project, just the way miners are running the Bitcoin network. Hundreds and hundreds of miners are running the Bitcoin network. Same way, hundreds and hundreds of people should be running this project. So if that is the case, then I would think about the long-term prospect of this project, and I would definitely be interested in such project. But before that, if you are sure that this project is being driven by hundreds and hundreds of people, and if few people will leave the project, then project won't be affected. The same way, if few people leave the Bitcoin network won't be affected. So if you think something like that is happening with this project, then you can definitely go ahead. But if you feel that this is not decentralized enough, if it is not very similar to the Bitcoin network, then you should think twice before investing in such projects. So again, this is not an investment advice. You should definitely do your own research with any cryptocurrency project, and if you are solely responsible for all your investment decisions. So anyways, apart from that, these are the reserves details. So as you can see here, that so these are some of the very technical things, but as you can see that here this is some medial level, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is a reef, and then this is another reef, and there are the data about the how much gold reserves probably this team has, and what kind of quality they are having with this thing. So you should if you are again if you are in, if you think that these projects will such complex operations will be done by a managed by a particular community, as you can see from the photos. This is the reality of mining actually, probably that's why they have shown these photos as well. So if you think that such complex task of mining and different kind of analysis is being done by a particular community which is backing up this project, which includes 500 to 1000 people at least who are trying to discuss about this project daily, and it is controlled by all of them, then it is truly decentralized. And in such cases you can expect that cryptocurrency like Zambesi Gold will survive if it is to be decentralized. So yeah, that's what I would like to say about this project as of now. And apart from that, I went to the Telegram group and I tried to see what the project is all about, and I tried to understand what their community is and everything. So as you can see here from the Telegram data and community chat, that the community doesn't seem to be very strong. As you can see, they are talking all about giveaways right now, and apart from that, bro, it's a worldwide giveaway platform, but they are not discussing about the importance of running the project, how their community, even though they have around 11,000 members, I don't see even a single member talking about the importance of decentralization for this project, because I know that it is very difficult to do such thing, and that's why probably they are not doing it, because it's such a difficult thing, and that's why no one is taking part in this. But the team who is running this project will have to work very very hard if they really want this project to succeed. And apart from that, if you see the pinned message here, then ZGD is actively developing and gaining great popularity in the crypto community. That's why we and our investors are running worldwide giveaway with Stargate platform of automatic and guaranteed rewards with smart contracts. So I went to Stargate, and this Stargate is very unprofessional. It's just a simple website with pool farming, staking, transferring, etc. So again, I don't know how to trust such platforms, but my point here is that these guys are talking about giveaway, but they are not this Telegram group is not discussing anything about how to grow this project. They are not talking about the daily problems they are facing when they are running this project, when they are doing this mining. They are not talking about auditing of this project. So nothing is decentralized. That's what my point is. Whatever this project is doing is being done by very few people, and that's dangerous from an investor's perspective in the cryptocurrency market, because the cryptocurrency market is technically totally non-regulated. So when things are non-regulated, unregulated, then in such cases there is only one counter which you can do, and that is decentralization. Because when hundreds and hundreds of people are running the show, then even if somebody is trying to do an exit scam, other people will always be there to run the project. And the same thing is happening with the Bitcoin. And that's so in the traditional finance, if you are supposed to buy some stock of any company, then that stock has to be audited properly, because it is regulated. There are organizations like SEC and other organization regarding to every country. They all look for the stocks of the companies which are being listed on their particular country's stock market, and that's why it's very essential that you totally rely on the decentralization point if you really want to be a successful cryptocurrency investor. And it's okay if the project and the idea and the concept you love is not decentralized, you can avoid investing in such project until it becomes totally decentralized, because decentralized is the ultimate reality of the cryptocurrency market. There is no shortcut, there is no other option, there is no other thing which can replace this concept. And that's why I keep saying again and again that decentralization is the only reality, and it's the only rule. Of course, along with that you can also look for valuation, but so decentralization, the point of decentralization is that it allows you to invest for the long term, and when you invest for the long term, then only you can make money. Yes, of course, if you find something which you can invest in the invest for the long term in the cryptocurrency market, then you will make 10x or maybe 20x in couple of years or 5 years maximum. So but when you go in the stock market and you invest in a particular coin for 5 years, then you maximum you will get is 3x 4x. But in cryptocurrency the same thing will happen, but with 30x 40x. But again, you will have to find a decentralized project. If you do not find such project, then in such scenario you cannot have that opportunity. And because the only difference between a stock market and a particular stock and a particular cryptocurrency is that one is regulated and one is unregulated. So in the stock, if you're finding something for the long term, it's okay, but in the cryptocurrency, if you're finding something for the long term, then it is supposed to be that particular coin is supposed to be decentralized, and that's the reality. So the more you understand this reality, the better, the happier, the safer your money will be. And reality cannot be chilled, and the reality is only one, and that's why reality should be respected, because the more you respect the reality, more you will support your hard-earned money, and more you will support your health and happiness. And that's why so in the cryptocurrency market, it's very weird that nobody is openly talking about the decentralization. But I personally believe that decentralization is the only topic which should be discussed. But it's pretty weird, it's very awkward. I feel that it's, I mean, there are no YouTubers talking about the importance of decentralization, no magazines, no crypto content websites, nothing, nobody's strongly talking about the importance of decentralization, and that is what is hurting the cryptocurrency market. Wise people understand this, and that's why even though crypto market is pretty exciting, most wise people, they keep their portfolio at least 95% in the Bitcoin only, because they respect the decentralization. They are not looking for mad profits, but they are looking for decentralization. And if they find something which is decentralized, then they might throw a couple of percentage of their portfolio into that, and even after that they will gradually build up that particular coin, meaning that they will gradually keep buying that coin, because the more they are confident about decentralization, more they will bet on it. And that's why decentralization is the reality, should be respected by all the investors in the cryptocurrency market. So anyways, this is the Telegram group if you want to join, and there I'm sure that they have also given details of their other social media platforms if you want to visit that. So yeah, as of now I would like to conclude this video now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that the talk on the decentralization has my particular talk on decentralization has made some sense into you about the risk and returns of the cryptocurrency market. And yeah, so we are also trying to build a decentralized cryptocurrency project, and you will get the details as well in the future. But till then, you can also join my general Telegram group. I'll put the link of this particular Telegram group in the description, and I hope I'll see you there if you have any questions about the project. So till then, see ya, bye bye, and please do subscribe to this channel, and please do like the video, and please share this video if you want to. Okay, see ya, bye bye, take care.